Welcome, ladies and gentlemen. Today I have a job to do. It's supposed to be raining, so I imagine I won't be doing too much. But I have to do this in and out. They won't say nothing about me doing it outside, saying it's going to rain today. So this is all tinted windows. This is the only tool I use now on this inside. This is very, very easy to operate on tint. Tint could be very forgiving and give you much resistance because you're limited to the amount of things you could use to clean it with harsh chemicals. So this is the only tool that's going to allow you to clean that window as if it had a ton of soap on it. And I'm going to put a ton of soap on it because this tin is cheap and it's pulling up anyway. And I don't think I've been hurting it by putting soap on it. Besides, I have a mild soap that's used on high-end cars. So if it's good for high-end cars and it's gentle, but has more cleaning power behind it, then it should be good for that tint. Let's jump into it.